Backslash hashtag walkthrough year of the rabbit. Backslash hashtag objective. Compromise the Linux target by chaining together web enumeration, hidden content discovery, credential extraction, brainfuck decoding, SSH access, lateral movement, and privilege escalation. Backslash hashtag step 1 initial enumeration. The assessment began with a standard map scan to identify exposed services. Open services discovered included /HTTP, Apache, /FTP, VSFTPD, /SSH. Version detection confirmed Apache running on Debian together with an accessible FTP service and SSH. Hashtag step 2 web enumeration. Browsing to the web server displayed the default Apache page. Viewing the page source revealed no useful information, so directory enumeration was performed using Gobuster. Several directories were identified, including an assets directory. The robots.txt file was also reviewed for hidden paths. Hashtag step 3 inspecting assets. Inside the assets directory several files were available. One CSS file contained a suspicious comment that referenced another hidden page. This clue led to a PHP endpoint. Hashtag step 4 hidden redirect. Requesting the hidden PHP page produced an HTTP redirect instead of content. Examining the location header revealed a hidden directory. Browsing directly to the hidden directory exposed directory listing. Inside was a single PNG image. Hashtag step 5 extracting hidden credentials. The image was downloaded for offline analysis. Several tools were used. /strings, /exiftool, /binwalk. Metadata indicated additional trailer data. Running strings revealed. /FTP username, /multiple candidate passwords. These candidates were extracted into a word list. Hydra successfully identified the correct FTP password. FTP credentials recovered. /username, fuser. /password, recovered via Hydra. Hashtag step 6 FTP enumeration. Logging into FTP exposed a single file. Eli's /creds.txt. The contents were clearly brainfuck code. Hashtag step 7 brainfuck decoding. The brainfuck program was saved locally. A Python brainfuck decoder translated the program into plaintext credentials. Recovered credentials. User. Eli. Password. DSPDM1WAUID. Hashtag step 8 SSH access. Using the recovered credentials, SSH access was obtained as user. Eli. A login message referenced a secret hiding place intended for another user. This provided the next enumeration target. Hashtag step 9 Linux enumeration. Enumeration of the file system located. /usr/game/s3cr3t. Inside was a hidden message. The message revealed Gwendolyn's password. Using the recovered password, the session switched to Gwendolyn. Hashtag step 10 sudo enumeration. Checking sudo permissions revealed. sudo 6/home/gwendolyn/user.txt. Although execution as root was denied, the binary could still be abused because 6 allows shell escapes. Hashtag step 11 privilege escalation. Using the GTFOBins 6 escape, a root shell was successfully spawned. Verification. Hashtag step 12 flag collection. The user flag was obtained from. The root flag was obtained from. Hashtag attack chain summary. Hashtag lessons from the walkthrough. Hidden HTTP redirects deserve careful inspection. Images may contain embedded credentials. Strings extraction is often sufficient to recover hidden secrets. Brainfuck can be used as lightweight credential obfuscation. User-to-user lateral movement is common during Linux engagements. Always validates pseudo permissions against GTFOBins. Even restricted pseudo entries may lead to full privilege escalation.